flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected, where a portion of the National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Burnett County until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Tow, or 12 miles southwest of Lampasas, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Burnett County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows,